Hello, for today's video is how to mute WhatsApp group. So it's just quick and simple, so let's go. So you can mute group notifications for a specified period of time. You'll still receive message sent to the group, but your phone won't vibrate or make any noise when they receive. So first thing you're gonna do is open the WhatsApp, then open the WhatsApp group chat, then tap the group subject. Here, you can toggle on the mute notification. You can choose from 8 hours, 1 week, and always. So other participants will not see that you muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned. Alternatively, if we bring back this one, and if we go back to chat tab, and if we press and hold the group in the chat tab, then press the mute notification icon at the top corner. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!